Sup bro, Mr. G is back. Are you ready? So today lesson in Excel on data validation. So we cover duplicate tabs using move and copy, create a Dropbox list database, insert a list using data validation, and create overview tabs with links. So let's have a look 1 second what is data validation. Data validation is an option in Excel that allows us to create a list Dropbox. Let's see what you need to do. First things, please open Teams on your computer, click on the general channel, click on the files menu tab, open your personal folders, open the files on your app, and we should be ready to go. So just bear with me while I share my screen with you. I'll put the screen big. Okay, so you can see here I got the spreadsheet is already open. So first things, let's create a list. Here we need to put the month. So instead to type the month, we can create a list with all 12 months on there. So this one is the month of January, so we're gonna need 12 months. I create this tab here for the data validation. It's like a database. Already put the month there, so let's start writing the first things, January 23, and after we can just copy and paste it down. So if we drag it from the field there, it will generate all that month from there. So let's go back on our main sheet. So I put the file there, and I'm gonna go in data on the top. After we're gonna go in data validation, and we're gonna select list from the allow, and after in here we need to select the where is the list. So we're gonna go there on the data, and I'm gonna select the mouse, the section that I created. I press OK, and as you can see, now we got our Dropbox. So it will allow you to create the things. So now let's things we're gonna use the sum, because we need to calculate the monthly spend. So we're gonna do equal sum open bracket, and we're gonna select all the column here, and after the balance is the monthly spend. So here we have the starting balance, and we're gonna add the monthly spend, and we're gonna have our closing balance, which is £206. So now the spreadsheet is ready, and they already have this one there. So before us to duplicate the spreadsheet, we're gonna duplicate for at least 3 things. We're gonna do things. We're gonna create the links here. So I want to this information here, the starting balance, the monthly spend, and the closing balance, they need to go on the spreadsheet here. So I'm gonna put straight away the month on there. So I'm gonna copy the month, and I'm gonna paste it here on the spreadsheet. So after we just need to add this 3 value there. So instead to go up and back, we can just create the links on this page and move them in the next page. So for instance, I'm gonna show you the starting balance. Just next to it, we're gonna put the monthly spend. So this is the linking formula. You just need to press equal and click on the cell that you want to link. Okay, doing like this, you see I already have the data. They are matching the tables on the other page. So now I'm gonna copy this one there, and I got this one. The only things I need to do, I'm gonna have to move them on the table there, and I'm gonna do Ctrl C, Ctrl X, and Ctrl V. So but before to do that, let's duplicate the slide straight away. We're gonna create a template first. So right click, the option move and copy, move it at the end, and create a copy, and press OK, and we're gonna rename it as a template. So with this template we are able to create a new month all the time. So after we can create the month for February. so we're gonna put it after January, and after we're gonna create the month. Don't forget to tick on that. So, and after we're gonna create the month of March as well. So we have that. Let's amend this one, and we have our 3 months. And this one is 3. Perfect. So now we got all the 3 months, and as you can see, we just need to move these ones on the first page. So this one is January, and it will be there on the top. The next one, it will be February, and we'll go there on the top. And the last one is March, so I'm gonna Ctrl X, and I'm gonna move here Ctrl V. Last things, let's create the hyperlink. So right click on that, we're gonna click on link, and from here, like place on these documents, and this one is gonna be January, so we're gonna click on that one there. We're gonna do the same thing for the next one. So hyperlink, and it's February, and the last one, it would be March. So let's try. Here we go, and we're gonna go there on the page. How was it? Did you enjoy it? If you like it, please put thumbs up and write some feedback in the chat. So let's recap. Today we covered duplicate tabs, we create a Dropbox, we insert a list, and we create an overview with the links. So very well done. In the next lesson we're gonna cover tables and chart. So good stuff, guys. Thanks a lot, and bye for now. Ciao.